Hi everyone, welcome to Eagle 360 Consulting. Today we'll walk you through the purchase to payment process in Microsoft Dynamics 365 Business Central. In this session, we'll go through creating a purchase order, receiving items, invoicing, and making payments using the payment journal. Let's start by creating a purchase order. Go to Purchasing, then Purchase Orders. You'll see the list of existing purchase orders. Click New to create a new one. Next, select the vendor. Once you select the vendor, all the vendor details automatically appear in the header fields of the purchase order. You'll notice fields like the document date, which is the date we register the document, and the posting date, which is the date the transaction is recorded in the system. The due date is automatically set based on the vendor's payment terms. After entering the vendor details, scroll down to the shipping and payment section. Here you can define the location where the vendor will deliver the items. Select your company's location. Then move down to the line section to add the items you want to purchase. Set the type as item, then choose the item you're going to buy. If you have already defined a location, it will automatically appear in the location code field. Enter the quantity you want to order. The system will automatically multiply the quantity by the direct unit cost and calculate the total cost. The direct unit cost usually picks up the last purchase cost for that item. Once you've entered all the item details, you can send the purchase order to the vendor. If the vendor has an email address, you can send it directly by email, or you can print it and send it manually. When you select print, you'll see options such as sending it to Excel, PDF, or directly to the printer. You can preview the purchase order before sending it out. After confirming the purchase order, release the document so it can move forward for processing. Now let's move on to receiving the goods. When you receive the goods from the vendor, update the document date and the posting date to match the date you actually received them. In the line section, enter the quantity you're receiving. If you're receiving all the items, leave it as is, but if it's a partial receipt, update the quantity accordingly. Once ready, go to Process, then Post, and choose Receive. Click OK to confirm. You can then view the receipt by going to Order, then Receipts. Open the document to see the receipt details. If there are any mistakes, you can correct them by using the Undo Receipt function. After receiving the items, the next step is invoicing. From the same purchase order, enter the posting date and the vendor invoice number. Check the lines to confirm whether you want to invoice the full quantity or just part of it. When everything looks good, go to Home, click Post, and select Invoice. When the invoice is posted, the system will ask if you'd like to review it. Click Yes to open it. This is the posted purchase invoice. Once it's posted, you can't make changes directly. If you need to fix something, you can use the correct or cancel options to make the necessary adjustments. Once the invoice has been posted, the next step is payment. Go to Cash Management, then Payment Journals. You'll see a list of available batches. Select the batch that is linked to your bank account, usually the bank reconciliation batch. Enter the posting date and set the document type as payment. Then choose the vendor account number and select the payment type. Click Apply Entries to link this payment to the vendor invoice. A list of open invoices will appear. Select the one you just posted, then click Home and set Applies to ID. If you're paying the full amount, leave it as it is. If you're making a partial payment, you can edit the amount to apply. When you click OK, the payment journal automatically updates with the payment details. Finally, go to Post and click Post to complete the payment. Once the payment is posted, it is recorded in the system. And that completes the purchase to payment process in Microsoft Dynamics 365 Business Central. Thank you for joining us for this walkthrough. For more information and personalized consulting, please visit us at eagle360.consulting. Thank you.